In this video, I'll show you how to create a Maxbounty account and get approval. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. Now let's get started. Firstly, I have given a link in the description of this video. You can click on that and you'll reach to this exact page, and you'll see a button here. You can click it. And this is the official blog from Maxbounty, which you can read. But here are some important points that I would like to make you know. Creating a website or landing page. So for this, what you can do is you can visit to blogger.com and watch some random YouTube videos about how to create a site on Blogger. It will cost you nothing to make your own blog, which is also known as website, and you can submit that website. Because if you read at here, we understand that if you are a beginner, this might not be something you have at the moment. This is why this is not a mandatory requirement to be approved in Maxbounty. If you have an idea of how your site or landing page will eventually look, prepare a rough draft or mock-up. You can then host the image on site like image yours, so that you are able to give us a final URL. So you can do this, or you can make a website in the Blogger. It may take you like 5 to 10 minutes to create a good looking website in Blogger. You can make that, and while applying to the Maxbounty, you can submit it. So another thing is have a plan. So you need to be knowledgeable in the field of CPA marketing. So what you can do is you can take a cheap course that you can get around $9 to $12 in Udemy. Just type in CPA marketing here by visiting udemy.com. I've also given the link of this Udemy in the description. You can click on that and you'll be able to visit to the official site of Udemy, and you can see here are the CPA marketing course that would cost you $9.99 at the moment, and you can purchase any of these course, and you can learn from this course. This will also help you to generate commission in Maxbounty, and these courses are absolutely cheap. And this one course is mine. You can take this course also, and while applying, you can they will ask you a question in this sign up form: how do you hear about Maxbounty? And you can tell them, I have heard about Maxbounty in this course. Okay, or in phone call interview, you can say that, and your chance of approval will be higher. So another important thing is creating a Skype account. So it is easy to create a Skype account. You can simply visit to Skype and create an account that you can remember. Okay, don't make some random account, make it your official Skype account. So it is taking a little bit time here to open the Skype. Okay, anyway, I'll leave the link of the Skype also in the description of this video. You can open a Skype account through that link. So now this is the registration form, and you can see it is asking for your affiliate ID if you already have an account on Maxbounty. So you don't have an account on Maxbounty, so simply click on next. Now put your name in this form and put your email address at here and click on next. So once you do this much, make a password that you can remember. And select a security question. What is your pet name? Let's write Doc. Another, what's your childhood nickname? And click on next. Now you can save this if this kind of pop-up comes. Now put your phone number. select your time zone. I would select Eastern Standard Time, so it is not showing here. So let me select any random time. You can select source and select Eastern Standard Time, that would be best. When can you be reached? In evening. What is your Skype handle? So after you make an account on Skype, simply copy your Skype ID and paste it at here. For now I'll paste like this. Now simply put your address. So in country, select your country, and in state provenance, whatever your state is, just put it at here, and you don't need to select anything here. Now simply click on next. Now you need to upload your photo ID, means either it is your citizenship or your passport or your driving license. Put the front in here and put the back in here. For now I'll put some random image. And then click on next. So how did you hear about Maxbounty? Now simply type I have heard about Maxbounty in a CPA marketing course that is available in Udemy. You can type this, and you can also give the link of the course by just clicking on a course that you are enrolled in, and just copy this URL and paste it there. Okay, you can make this text a short because it need to be less than 50 characters. So you can do like this, you can make this text short. Okay, so what is your experience? Do select I have some experience or have received at least one payment if you have received. And if you haven't received any payment from a network, just select that. Okay, but don't select I am a complete beginner, because Maxbounty would most likely reject your application if you select this. So for now I'll select this. Describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. Simply write anything like if you have done affiliate marketing in the past, then you can write those things, or whatever it is, be honest in here. I have been doing I've been learning affiliate marketing from YouTube and Udemy, and I'm thinking to start from Maxbounty. You can write those things like I have been learning about CPA marketing from YouTube and Udemy since from 1 month. Now I am thinking to start doing CPA marketing. I'm thinking to start doing CPA marketing by promoting Maxbounty offers. Okay, so you can write these things. How do you intend to promote offers? In this you can write I will use Microsoft Ads PPC campaign to promote Maxbounty offers. Okay, so actually my course especially is will teach you to promote CPA offers from Maxbounty in Microsoft Ads, and you'll also learn about a free tracking tool that is called BMOB, which you can use for lifetime, and that BMOB provides you like 100,000 clicks per month for absolutely free, so you don't need to pay for any tracker. I have guided everything in a step-by-step process in this course. Okay, so I'll also save this text in a notepad, so I'll provide this text in the description of this video so that you can watch those text and have an idea to while applying. So let me quickly save this text. So I have saved this text in a notepad. I'll provide it in the description of this video once you feel this much. And now, what campaigns are you looking for? So you can write whatever type of campaign you are looking. For me it would be health, loan, and it will ask your website URL. Now in this URL you can simply make a simple blog that will be absolutely free to make in Blogger. You can make that and submit that URL in your website. Okay, so I already have my own website, so I will better send this website. Okay, so I have copied the link. Now I'll provide it at here. So is this account for incentive traffic? So you better select it no, because incentive traffic means you are telling people to take action in the offer so that you will reward them. So that type of traffic are most likely useless kind of traffic. So most offer don't want that kind of traffic, so it is better to select no. So if yes, describe the incentive, then write no and click on next. Okay, so here as you can see it is saying it must be less than 50 characters. Okay, so it is a little bit long, but I know here is a problem going on. So let me just type 1 only and click on next. So it still says must be less than 50 characters. Now after this, the registration process is not so vast. Also you can watch the registration process at here also. Okay, I'll also provide the link of this blog below. You can watch that. It is currently not functioning at the moment. When I'm making this video, it is not functioning because as you can see there is only one word. Okay, let me type only Google, then also it will say less than 50 characters. Okay, so I cannot move to the next step at the moment, but here are the steps that you can follow. Okay, after doing that much, as you can see, you can apply in Maxbounty by looking all of these things. It is easy. So I would better suggest you to take a simple course about CPA marketing, especially that is related to Maxbounty. There are lots of course inside Udemy. You can take it and then make a website in Blogger and make a Skype account and then apply to Maxbounty, and for sure you will get approved after the phone call interview. Okay, so this much I want to show you in this video. I'm forced to end the video at here. I'm absolutely sorry for that, but it is not moving to the next step, or I would have shown you everything. So I hope this video is somewhat helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more interesting videos like this in upcoming days. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.